Melissa, where are you from?
I'm from Florida in the United States. I live in Tampa, and it's about an hour and a half from Disney World.
Laura, where are you from?
I'm from Maryville, Tennessee, which is in the eastern part of Tennessee, near the Appalachian Mountains.
So what are two American girls doing in Carnarvon?
Well, first of all, we're learning Welsh. We've been learning Welsh since last summer, and so we've had a year of Welsh under our belts, and we just finished Cwrs Pellach, and we just took our Welsh O-levels.
We also work for an international charity that works with languages all over the world doing storytelling projects. So we're doing a storytelling project in Welsh. We're facilitating that with native speakers.
The stories are from the Bible, and we're trying to find people to help us tell the stories, because we don't know enough Welsh to tell the stories, so we're trying to find people to help us with that.
So basically you're doing biblical stories in the native tongue, not proper Welsh as in Welsh, but more of the Covey Welsh.
Spoken Welsh, yeah.
And how have the people of Carnarvon been with you?
They've been lovely. They've helped us a lot. Our neighbors have been very friendly to us and kind, and we've sang in our Welsh choir here, and we're helping at Noddfa, and so we've made a lot of friends there, so it's been really good.
Now, we all know there's a little bit of problem between the English and the Welsh. Is there any problem between the Americans and the Welsh?
I hope not. We haven't experienced anything, any type of hostility or anything. In fact, most people are really interested and really happy that there are Americans who are learning Welsh. So that's been our experience.
How are you coping with the Welsh language?
It's difficult, but it's been really fun. We've had wonderful tutors and classes that we've learned in, and lots of people who are so willing to help us practice, so we're having fun with it.
Yeah, it's one of the most unusual languages I've ever met, but I think that if people approach it as a game and with a sense of joy, it really is an interesting language to learn, and there's a lot of fulfillment that we get for learning each new word, because then we can use it in the community, and it's just a little bit more piece of the puzzle that we've found out.
So hopefully the next time we go to the States, there'll be more people speaking the Welsh language?
Yes.
That would be cool.
Okay, so you're doing well with the Welsh language, so da chi'n deall y iaith Gymraeg, da chi'n gallu siarad y iaith Gymraeg?
Yndw. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n medru dall mwy na da ni'n medru deud ar hyn o bryd.
Ond da ni'n dysgu.
Da chi'n dysgu. A da chi'n newydd arholiad?
Do, dydd Gwener, dwi'n neud yr O-level.
Yr O-level. A sut ath hi?
Dwi'n o'n anodd.
Roedd yn anodd.
Ond golew.
Golew.
Yn cyntaf, mi nathon ni sgwennu llythyr a llenwi fochau.
Darllen a dall.
A gwrando, atebwch cwestiynau.
Newyddion. Gwrando.
A yn olaf, roedd na sgwrs bach.
Efo tutwr.
20 munud.
O, pa mor hir da chi'n mynd i fod yma eto?
Un flwyddyn mwy.
That's the one.
Sorry. Da ni'n medru bod yma ers flwyddyn, so un mwy.
Da ni'n mynd yn ôl i America yn mis Gorffennaf nesta. So, gobeithio da ni'n dysgu misroli trwy'r post yn America.
A wedyn sefyll ar ôl A-level yn Gymraeg.
Wow, well, da iawn. Well, dwi'n gobeithio fyddwch chi'n llwyddiannus.
Diolch.
I hope you do it ever so well. And thanks for talking to us today.
Diolch yn fawr.